Alright, welcome back everyone, and this is WTI. How is everyone doing? Hope you have a very fabulous weekend. Let's get right into business. So, last week I joined another buy trade on gold. Excuse me. Last week I joined another buy trade on WTI. And it's been actually glorious since then because the market is quite in a very teeny tiny profit right now, which is not bad if you know what I mean. It is not totally bad at all. However, there's still a couple of pressure coming to the market currently. As you can see, this is not a very audacious move I've always loved from WTI. I mean, I'm looking for something like this: push down, pull back, push down, pull back, push down, back, push down, back, you know. But right now, it looks as if it is struggling to move, okay? How it looks as if it's struggling, whereas gold, its counterpart, is flying, enjoy itself. It just keep pumping to the upside, just keep pumping to the upside. So I think, okay, it could be, okay, it might be fundamental influence or effect that is playing into oil right now, but I don't want to speculate. Okay, it's best to just do what, to just stick to what I've been really bringing us. I've been trying to explain to us, so which is pure technical analysis. And definitely don't forget, this is technicals. All right, you should always consider fundamentals. I do. But going into fundamentals, trying to pick this, it's going to make the video extremely long. And I don't want to do that. So it is, even the technicals is long. So I just want you to make sure you study fundamentals and interpret it or corroborate it with your technicals to make a good sense of the trade. Okay, I always do. That's just a full disclosure. Okay, now moving forward, as you can see, the market break out of this resistance, pull back and went up. Okay, the movement to the upside was a little bit dramatic, if you know what I mean. So let me expand a little bit to show you what I'm trying to say. Okay, the move to the upside was quite not the kind of one we are looking for. So the market went up, come down, went back up, and come down. Okay, and you can see it went back up again with this green candle and then came down again. All right, so I was just very patient because I was waiting for two candlesticks that decisively close above. All right, that's what I was waiting for. And then this happened, this particular candle and this second candle. I would have joined here. It's a safe place to join a buy trade. However, I did not. Why? Because I saw the market come all the way down here. That's when I joined this morning during the Asia market. Okay, and which is gonna be around, I think, on Sunday. Well, I mean on Sunday evening, anyways, based on my time zone here. And it looks very good to me because, as you can see, this is a new resistance. If you take the time frame to a little bit below 30 minutes, maybe 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you see that this is a very good and a decent bullish momentum. The market did something like this. It came down, and then I took a trade here, and then my stop loss is still right here. Okay, my stop loss is still right here, 78.6%. But my target is not quite. I'm not quite sure about my target yet, and you know why? Because I have so many obstacles too. We have so many obstacles at the front. Number one, this area here. Okay, that's the first obstacle that has to be broken. Although it is not that much of a drama. Okay, even though this area is more like, it is more like it is a drama. It is a lot of drama anyways. I thought it did not go all the way back, but it actually did. Okay, all the way from here. Okay, that means it's gonna pose a very big challenge to this particular trade. Okay, you can see all these lots of support. Okay, then the market break it to make it a new resistance. So I don't know if this is gonna be a new resistance just for the price to do like this and then to dip down. We don't know yet. Or are we praying for a breakout of this, pullback and continuation? Okay, that's something I would really love to see. Okay, well, I don't want to speculate and I don't want to be jumping the gun currently, because I can see that this range, number one, this range the range lasted for some time. Let me quickly measure it to see how long it did last. So the range lasted for almost 2 weeks. I mean, over 2 weeks. This is 14 trading days. Okay, that should be around 3 weeks, so to speak. Okay, it ranges for 3 solid weeks. So if I'm counting the trading days minus the weekend, okay, the trading days, that's 14 days. That means, you know, 14 trading days, which is almost 3 weeks. So that is a very fine range, and a very impulsive move to the upside is expected. Okay, a very what? A very impulsive move to the upside is expected. I mean, a very, very fast paced momentum, something like a high volatility and a very, very fast rush. But right now, that's why I said I'm very conflicted with this trade, because it looks very sluggish. It doesn't look like the usual WTI kind of move. Okay, but I'm not gonna get out of this trade. As a matter of fact, the trading stop it has not even started yet. So I'd rather just wait to see how this all play out, and then I will see if and what I can make out of this. It is better to do it that way. Okay, and don't forget this. There's still the resistance here. Okay, so there's still a very big or a distinctive resistance at the top there. Okay, so we can see the market just dip down again. Okay, we can see the market just dip down again, and that would be a resistance on the 4 hour time frame anyways. Okay. So this is the resistance on the 4 hour time frame, and it's a very obvious one if you go to the 4 hour time frame, and it should be considered. As a matter of fact, I'm considering it, and that's why I actually risk very little on this trade. As for now, I'm risking very little on this trade. But if peradventure we can see a decisive break to the upside, and then we now get to see a new pullback, I will draw my Fibonacci from here, and then I will target here, and I will wait for a 50% pullback, which should be around my previous entry. Then I will look for a new buy. Okay, this should be something much better that I can risk 1%, 2%, any type of percent I want to risk on. Okay, it looks much more better than the usual. Okay, that's why I'm risking very little on this for now, and then just for me to really go into my risk, my trade properly later, if that happens to play out. But for now, I don't want to miss out, so it's better to just get a crumbs instead of missing the whole meal. All right, so that is how I think, anyways. So that's all on WTI for now. Don't forget, that's my own personal opinion, anyways. So moving forward, I think this buy trade is good. Okay, we have a lot of confluence beside us, and we have the market momentum also building up slowly. But we have a couple of fundamentals also coming this week, and you might want to check that out, factor that into market, see how it's going to play out before you jump in. But if you think they're not going to affect oil, just jump in and see how it goes. Okay, but as for me, I'm already in the trade. I'm going to keep it that way, and I'm going to see how it goes. I'm going to catch you guys later tomorrow to give you updates on this particular trade setup and to let you know how it is running. So until then, have a nice day. Catch you later. Bye for now.